for now. Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and today we're diving into a watch that screams yacht club money, even if you bought it on eBay while wearing sweatpants. Say hello to the gold cushion case Wakmann Regatta Yachting Chronograph, a timepiece that's equal parts 70s swagger and horological power. This watch is sexy, like Burt Reynolds and Cindy Crawford making love sexy. This watch looks like it could captain a mega yacht and host the after party. Gold-plated cushion case? Check. Funky, colorful yachting dial? Double check. And inside, it's got some serious muscle. The mighty Lemania 1341 movement. Alright, let's hit the spec sheet real quick like a guy with boat shoes on a dock bar. The case is 42 millimeters wide, cushion case, gold-plated, that hits the light perfectly. Basically, you got a disco ball for your wrist. The dial is gold with a Regatta Timer subdial with 15-minute countdown timer, because timing is everything in a yacht race. It's very serious business. The crystal is acrylic. Yeah, it scratches, but so does your yacht if you dock it like I do. The movement is a Lemania 1341, an automatic chronograph with cam switching, a central minute counter. It's like the Swiss Army knives of yachting movements, if, Swiss Army knives were cool and wore boat shoes. It's got some beautiful chronograph pushers that are nice and clicky, and they feel like you're launching torpedoes at the competition. Now, I once wore this to a regatta, and I don't even own a boat, yet I still felt like a captain, and that's just the Wakmann effect. Now, this isn't just a watch. It's a gold-plated time machine that brings you back to when sailing was glamorous and watches had soul. How does it work, you might ask? Well, this watch has a designated minute hand that tracks when it's time to start the race. Boating isn't like race cars where you can go from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Yachting takes time, it takes ease, it takes pressure. So each boat is given 15 minutes to get up to speed before the race actually starts. This timer is specifically meant to measure that so you're not late for the race, giving you an edge on the competition. Not only does this watch have that complication, but it also has a regular chronograph and a tachymeter as well. So the big question is, should you buy one? Well, if you like gold, 70s funk, and timing your imaginary yacht races, then you already know the answer. Just don't wear it in the water. This is yachting, not diving, you poor peasant, okay? This has been your Regatta Ready Wakmann review. Stay golden, stay punctual, and I'll see you on deck. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Bill. Check this watch out at oldmoneywatches.org. Thank you again. Bye.